Hey everyone, my name is Jordana Mattioli. I'm a medical esthetician here in New York City. I have a new product I have been loving. This is a new launch from Algenist. It's the Blue Algae Vitamin C Dark Spot Correcting Peel. So let's take a look at the ingredients in here, what makes this so effective, and then I want to show you how to do a treatment at home.
Let's open this up so I could show you what this looks like. I feel this is such a first of its kind product because of the innovative blend of ingredients. Algenist, they are the algae experts. So of course there's a new exclusive ingredient innovation. We have Blue Algae Vitamin C. It's natural, it's sustainable, it's vegan, and it is 100% pure vitamin C from blue algae.
There hasn't been a lot of research lately with vitamin C, but it's always been a gold standard sought after ingredient. Vitamin C is typically synthetic, but Algenist was able to extract the L-Ascorbic Acid from a renewable source from this type of algae. And this has never been used before in any skincare products or treatments. I love new technologies. This is exciting stuff.
Then we have Alguronic Acid, which is their patented ingredient discovery. This Alguronic Acid boosts the formula's benefits. Another algae in this is Phycocyanin, and it's a high concentration antioxidant. We also have the triple acid complex that uses alpha, beta, and polyhydroxy acids. These enhance spot reducing power without drying skin out and without any downtime.
My skin is freshly washed, and we're going to keep it a little bit damp. Keep it a little bit moist when you apply the peel. 4 to 6 pumps. That's for a pretty good sized dollop. And we're just going to massage this in. Now I'm just doing my face, but you can absolutely do your neck, you could do your chest, you can do the tops of your hands, wherever you need refinement or you have a dark spot. I start all of my clients on a vitamin C treatment. It's just one of those ingredients you really do start seeing results with right away. Sometimes with the higher concentrations of vitamin C, we want to be a little careful on sensitive skin, but because this is formulated in a glycerin base, you don't get that dryness and sensitivity that can sometimes happen. And you're gonna feel a little bit of tingling, but nothing uncomfortable. And for me, this is just the tiniest bit of warmth. And we're gonna set our timer for 20 minutes. And this is the type of treatment that you're only going to do at night because you don't wanna get direct sunlight right after a peel. I just rinsed off with some cool water to neutralize the peel. My skin feels amazing. It is super soft. Pores look better already, brighter. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Genius Collagen Calming Relief. This is really good for right after a peel. It's perfect. Peels are one of my most popular treatments among my clients and to do on my own skin. I think because they give you just such instant gratification. Will lighten up dark spots, smooth your skin, refine pores, overall just give you a brighter complexion.